If you go down to the bottom, better watch the way you act. If you fool around them honkies, you will never make it back. When you get in trouble, the best you can do is lose. For them honky-tonky mamas, they'll give you the honky blues. I went down to the bottom just a week ago today. Met a honky-tonky baby, I couldn't get away. Lost all my money, a brand new hat and shoes. For them honky-tonky mamas really had them honky blues. I drank a half a pint of liquor, a half a pint of gin. Saw my honky-tonky mama fooling around some other men. Really felt mistreated, my baby I was about to lose. Got jealous of my baby, I had them old honky-tonky blues. Sure did, boy. Yeah. She's a honky-tonky mama, got honky-tonky ways. She got me in trouble, now I'm serving days. Big policeman got me, would not turn me loose. Took me down to the station, locked me in a calaboose. Good morning, Judge. When I go back to the bottom, gonna watch my P's and Q's. Or them honky-tonky mamas will be giving me the blues. Gonna have protection, I think I have paid my dues. I'll find me a honky-tonky mama and give her back these old honky-tonky blues. I'll find me a honky-tonky mama